Today is a great day. Why? Because I'm upgrading my audio game. Lately I had some problems with the background noise here where I'm recording some of my tutorials and videos, and this is why I invested in some products that I'm going to unbox today with you. So as usually whenever I'm unboxing something, I have my tool. This is what I have as a unboxing tool. Let's see what we have today to unbox. First of all, this is supposed to solve a lot of my problems with the background noise. First of all, we have the SM7B from Shure. This is it. So let's see what we have in the box. Okay, so do that, and for this we'll need our tool. In the future maybe I should buy something to put the camera on the top, huh? What do you think? And we are opening, and we have some instructions, some stickers from Shure, some instructions which I will read later. Okay, then we have this from Shure. Okay, and to that we have the mic itself. Hello there. It's fresh. It's a fresh Shure. Okay. And there you have it. Shure UK. Made in Mexico. Nice. There you have it. This will be my hopefully my new mic that will solve the problems with my background noise. Why? Because at the moment I'm using the mic from Zoom H5, which I love it, but the problem is that it is a condenser and it's really sensitive, so it picks a lot of background noise. But hopefully this will solve this problem. So let's put this right here. Next we have this from Shure. I'm not sure what is this from Shure. We'll see about this later. And after that we have, what's this now? Okay, I think I should take this out. Or definitely, if I'm going to make some unboxing videos in the future, I will need to use a camera on the top. So took this out, and we have a larger pop-up filter. That is when you're creating websites. This is a pop filter. Yeah. So yeah, it seems that you have two pop filters that protects the audio from peaks and from plosives, you know, for a cleaner audio. This is pretty much it, I think. Oh, we have also this adapter for the microphone. This is pretty much it in terms of the SM7B, man. SM7B. Hopefully today I'm going to test it, so I'm excited about this. Okay, let's move on. Let's take this. Next in line we have a preamp from SE Electronics, I think. SE, I'm not sure. was the company? Let's see. SE Electronics. Yes. So we have a Dynamite. Now this is a preamp that helps with the quality of the audio signal that you are sending from the SM7B to the recording device, or in my case it will be the Zoom H5. But let's unbox it and untape it, because it's only a tape right here. So from the first glance, it's a really nice touch. You know, as the name suggests, it's a Dynamite. So it's a really interesting box, a Dynamite box. So let's see what we have here. Pay attention. Yes. Whew. It didn't explode. Okay, so there you have it. This is a preamp from SE Electronics. Okay, it is sealed, so we'll have to use again. We will have to use again the unboxing tool. Yes. And then we have it. Okay. So this is pretty much it in terms of the preamp. By the way, I already tested this preamp with the SM7B and I did like it a lot. So this is why I bought for myself. We also have some instructional manuals here, and that's pretty much it. So I'll put it back. Okay, Dynamite from SE Electronics. Next, I needed a cable that I will connect the SE Electronics Dynamite with my Zoom H5. This is why I bought a Mogami Gold 15 feet. So let's see, how do we open this? I think again, I don't need my unboxing tool, so let's try this. Just like this. And that's it, man. It's an XLR Mogami. I don't know how you pronounce in Japanese, but maybe Mogami. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Adrian desu. I know some Japanese, okay? So, Mogami. Well, I'm not sure if it is from Japan. This bouquet. So anyway, this is the unboxing of the Mogami cable, XLR Mogami Gold. Yeah, the cable of the pros, man. We are pros on this channel, okay? So that's it. And the last item for today is the Rode PSA1 Studio Arm, because I will need this as my room is not very large, so I figured out that I will need this to make things easier for me to work with. So let's see what we have here. Come on. Okay, so we have something very heavy. Okay. We have this, I suppose it's the arm. Okay. And this time I will use again my unboxing tool. Alright. That's it. Here we go. So, caution, spring loaded. I don't know, I'm not sure what this means yet, but I'll see it in a couple of minutes, okay? Next we have some instructions. Then we have an adapter. And next we have a mini box with I'm not sure what is this, but it looks something like this. Okay. Okay. Cool. And then we have this. Yeah, this is I was wondering where is the clamp. And I think that this is the clamp that we will need to for the arm. Okay. So this is it, guys. So this is the clamp that I was talking about. You will attach this by your table or your bureau, and here you put the right here, right there, just like this. You put the arm. So at the first impression, my first impression is that it is really, it's heavy and it's built like a tank, but I will know for sure when I will use it. So this is pretty much it, I think, in terms of the unboxing of today. So this is it, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below with them. I'm trying to figure out how to set up this. So hopefully in the future I'm going to create another video with testing my new SM7B. By the way, I already tested one SM7B with Dynamite. I did it yesterday. I borrowed the mic and the preamp from a buddy of mine, and I did like it a lot. So hopefully this will be the same. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. Hopefully this will solve my problem with the background noise. And yeah, as you can see, I'm really excited about this. So if you have any questions, put them below, and until next time, stay cool and make great music.